No, music. She was out.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Arvi, Vidya. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? How are you today? Fine? Fine? Yes, that's fine. Very good, Bachcha. Yes. Arvi, Harvi, Jaina, Jia, Jian, Krishil, Nishwa, Prahi, Vihan, Yani, Samya. Very good morning to all. Fresh and energetic. Good morning to you all. Okay. Everyone, sit properly. Our prayer time. Okay. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Everyone. तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी है तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शिश कर। तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी है तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शिश कर, तू बख्शिश कर। Children, rub your hands, touch your eyes. Yes. Feeling fresh and good. Okay. Now we'll play one small game. Okay, children? Okay, everyone? We'll play one game now. Okay? I'll take one word. Okay? Then you tell me the starting letter. Okay? जैसे कि I'll taking fan. Okay? You have to tell me yes. Everyone should be answered in the chat box. Okay? समझ में आया गेम? मैं एक वर्ड बोलूंगी जैसे कि जियान। ओके? तो फिर फर्स्ट लेटर जे है ना, जे जे वो कमेंट बॉक्स में डालना है। ओके? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड? यस, वेरी गुड एवरीवन। काइट, 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 yes, very good everyone. Diana, Jian, Aksh, Samya, Vihan, Prahi, Selvi, Samya, Krishil, very good everyone. Then tell me cup, cup, cup. Yes, Aksh, Vihan, very good Vihan. Yes, Yannick, Jia, Harvi, Selvi, Prahi, Rishi, Aksh. Very good. Table. Table. Yes, Dana. Aksh. Vihan. Very good. T. Okay. The phoning sound of T is T. T. Okay. Chair. 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 Yes. Aksh, Dhyana, Jian, Vihan, Jia, Harvi, Trahi. Very good, everyone. Yannick, Rishi. Where are other students? Where are others? Our next letter is Sun. Sun. Yes, Aksh, Vihan, Rishi. Yes, very good, everyone. Very good. Clap for you all. Okay? Then our another word is bag. 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 The first letter is B. Vihan, Dhyana, Jian, Krishil, Jaina, Prahi, Samya, Selvi. Very good, everyone. Then where are others? Only the 5 6 people are answering here. Where are others? Jia, Samya, where are you? Lisa, why you not giving answers? Please. Yes, Jia. Everyone should be answer. Okay? जो कोई आंसर नहीं देगा मुझे पता चलता है इधर. समझ में आया वो सबको? सब लोगों को आंसर देना है. ओके? Yes. Our next letter is yes, Lisa. Very good, बच्चा. Our next letter is drum. 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 Yes, very good. Aksh. Yannick, Harvi, Prahi, very good. Jian, Jena, Lisa, Selvi. And our next letter is shoes. 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 Yes. Yes आएगा, not C, Jena. Yes. Okay? Yes, phonic sound is okay. Yes. Yes, here. Very good. Rahi. Very good. Now, I show you some sight words. Okay? Everyone should be repeat. Everyone should be repeat with me. Okay? All of you understood? Everyone should be repeat with me when I show you some sight words flashcard. Okay, children? आप उसको रिपीट करोगे तो आपको अच्छे से आएंगे साइट वर्ड. ओके? जब हम सीवीसी का कॉन्स्टेंट चालू करेंगे तब आपको समझ में आएगा. किसी तरह इसलिए मैं आपको साइट वर्ड दिखा रही हूँ. ओके? These are our sight words. Sight words are useful to make sentence. Okay? When we frame sentence, these sight words are useful. First one is M-E, me. Me. Come on, repeat with me. 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 Yes, me. U-P, up. 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 simple B by by. Okay. B yeah by. B yeah by. B yeah by. On. On. O N O O on. Okay. On. ऑन का मीनिंग क्या पता है आपको? ऊपर, जैसे कि द फ्लैश कार्ड ऑन द टेबल. ओके, द फ्लैश कार्ड ऑन द टेबल. ओके चिल्ड्रन? यस. सॉरी बच्चों, wait a minute, I'll show you. TO2, TO2, 2. SO, so. Everyone repeat with me. SO, so. So. AN, and. Okay. Next, IS, ease. 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 Okay, repeat with me everyone. IS, ease. Ease. BE, B-E-B. B-E-B. B. B. A-M-M. M. Okay. I. What is the meaning of I? Everyone know? I बोले तो मैं. Okay. I जो भी word है, जैसे कि I am giving one example. I am having one apple. मेरे पास एक एप्पल है. Okay. I बोले तो I का मीनिंग क्या है पता है आपको? मेरे पास. I मेरा. Okay. अस का मीनिंग है हम. ओके, हम लोग. वी WEV. वी आर गुड फ्रेंड्स. हम अच्छे दोस्त हैं. वी आर गुड फ्रेंड्स. ओके, हम अच्छे दोस्त हैं. वी So children, IT, it. ये वाला आपको बताया था ना पहले मैंने. Yes, this one is me. Okay children, all of you understood the sight word? Now you take out your notebook. Come on. Take out your notebook and everyone turn off your camera. Come on. Take out your first notebook and open your blank paper. Here we write A to Z again. Okay? A to Z again in notebook. First of all, write here classwork. Okay, and today's date. What is today's date? What is today's date? Who will tell me? Yes, Vihan, Aksh, Jian. Today's date is 15. 15. Okay. 15, 6, 21. Yes, very good everyone. And who one will tell me what is day today? Day. कौन सा दिन है आज? What is day today? Yesterday is Monday. Today is Tuesday, बच्चों. Yes, not जियान, आज थर्सडे नहीं बेटा, ट्यूसडे है, मंगलवार. ओके. And here I am writing again A to Z. A to Z. Okay. In notebook. Okay children. This today's our class work is A to Z. हम लोग अभी क्या करेंगे? A to Z लिखेंगे. Okay. All of you write with me right now. Okay. First of all, write here capital A, slanting line, another slanting line, in the middle blue line, slipping line, capital A. Here full curve and one slipping line, standing line and small curve. This is our capital A. A says A. A says A. And again you have to write here our next letter. A after B. Standing line, left half curve, another half curve, capital B, standing line, left half curve. This one is small b. B says ba. B says ba. B after C. One half curve, in the middle line, another half curve. This is capital C. This is capital small C. C says ka. And here write one standing line, right curve. Okay. Capital D. Capital D. And here write standing line, left curve. Okay children. You have to leave here 2 finger space. Okay. आपको इतना गैप करके लिखना है बच्चों. ओके किड्स. जैसे कि हमने एक दिन पहले लिखा था ऐसे. ओके. आफ्टर डी which letter will come? E. Write here standing line, slipping line, one small slipping line, in the bottom one slipping line. E. E. E says A. E says A. Here you write small e, one small curve, and here one curve in the blue line. Okay children. E after F. F says standing line, slipping line, in the middle small slipping line. This is our capital F. Here I am writing small f on standing line, half curve, in the red line. Here is red line is there na bacha? So children, here you write one half curve, and in the middle blue line you write here one small slipping line. F says F after G. Write here capital G, one half curve, standing line, slipping line, another standing line. This is our capital G. And write here one full curve, standing line, and on the bottom you write one half curve, small curve. Okay. Small curve. G says ga. G says ga. G after H. Write here one standing line, another standing line, in the middle slipping line. Okay, this is our capital H. And here you write one standing line, half curve and small half curve and standing line. This is our small h. H says okay. H after I. Here you write one standing line, slipping line, another slipping line. Okay. And here you write one standing line. Here you write one small dot. Here you put one small dot. This is our small I. This is our capital I. I says E. I says E. After I, J. Here you write one standing line and down one full half curve. And here write one slipping line. Okay. And small j. Start from here, from the blue line, standing line, and down one half curve, and here you write one, put here one small dot. Okay. After I, J says ja. J says ja. J after K. Here you write K. Standing line, slanting line, another slanting line. Okay. Here is our capital K, and here you write one small k. Here you write one standing line from the middle. Okay, here is small slanting line, another slanting line. K says ka. K says ka. K after L. Standing line, slipping line. One standing line. L says L. L says L. L after M. Everyone writing? मेरे साथ आपको लिखना है. Write with me everyone. Okay? Yes, Dhyana. Very good, Dhyana. L after M. One standing line, slanting line, another slanting line, one standing line. This is our M, capital M. M says M says Here you write one small standing line, small curve and standing line. This is our small n. Small m. Here again you write here one small curve and small standing line. M. M says M says M after n. Standing line, slanting line, another slanting line. This is our capital N. And here you write one small standing line, small curve and small standing line. This is our capital N, small n. N says N says Here you write after N O, one full curve. Okay, this is our capital O. And in the blue line, in the middle of blue line, we writing here one small curve, full curve. Okay, this is our O. O says O. O says O. O after P. Here I am writing P, standing line, one right curve. Okay, small capital P. Here I am writing from here, standing line, small curve. Okay, P after Q. Here I am writing Q, full curve. From here I am writing here one slanting line. This is our capital Q. Q says Qua. Q says Qua. And here full curve, standing line and one slanting line. From here to here. Okay. Q says Qua. Q says Qua. Q after R. Standing line. Half curve. And another slanting line. And here one small standing line and small curve. This is our R, small r. R says R. R says R. R after yes. R after yes. Here I am writing yes. One curve, another curve. Okay. and in the middle I am writing a small s. One small curve, another small curve. One left curve and right curve. This is a small s. S after T. Standing line, sleeping line, capital T. And here standing line, small curve, in the middle blue line, one small sleeping line. Okay. T after U. Standing line, curve, another standing line. This is our capital U. In the middle of blue line, standing line, small curve and small standing line. Here you draw here one small curve. This is our capital U. This is our small u. You say U. U after V. Slanting line, another slanting line. Okay, this is our small capital V. Capital V. V after, here I am writing small v. This is also the same. We say V. He says V after a W. Slanting line, another slanting line, another slanting line. This is our capital W. Here I am writing one small w. W says V. W says V. Okay. W after X. Slanting line, another slanting line. This is our capital S. And in the middle you write here one small x. This is also a small x. X after Y. Y. Capital Y. Slanting line, one V slanting line. From red line to blue line. Okay. And here small y. In the middle of blue line. Here you draw here one small slanting line. And from here to here, blue line to red line. Here you write one slanting line and small curve. Okay. And our last letter is Z. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and sleeping line. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Okay. I am finished here our classwork. Okay. Whose work is completed? Whose work is completed? Show me. Jia's work is done. Yes, Jia. Show me properly, bacha. Wait. Yes. Yes, Jian. Very good, Jian. Rahi, show me your work. Jia. Very good, Jia. Very good, Jia. And your homework is same as classwork. Okay? जैसे मैंने अभी आपको लिखाया है वैसे आपको होमवर्क में लिखना है. ओके बच्चों? होमवर्क समझ में आया जियान? यस. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको लिखाया है A to Z वैसे आपको सेम एज क्लास वर्क लिखना है. ओके? यस जियान. वेरी गुड बच्चा. ओके प्राही शो मी. यस वेरी गुड प्राही. वेल डन. Well done, Prahi. Where are others? Where are others? Samia, Yannick, Vihan, Selvi, Prahi, Nishwa, Lisa, Krishil and Jia. Jia ने दिखाया, जियान ने दिखाया, जैना, हीर, हरवी, ध्याना, अक्ष. अक्ष आप दिखाओ ना मुझे अच्छे से. Hold your book and show me. Vihan? Yes, Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Well done. Okay, Aksh? Yes, Aksh. Okay. Aksh आपको और अच्छे से लिखना है. Okay, you have to write neat. Okay? Yes, very good everyone. Very good everyone. Where are others? Vihan, turn off your camera. Where are others? Tamia, show me your work, classwork. Here, Jaina, Krishi, Lisa, Nishwa, Selvi, Yani, show me your work. Come on. I wanted to see your work. Come on, show me. Yes, Vihan, very good. Turn off your camera, Vihan. Selvi, show me your work. Wait, I am unmuting you. Where is Selvi? Yes. Selvi? Selvi? Are you there, Selvi? She is not responding. And Yannick? Yannick Detroja?
बोल हो गया yes ma'am
Yannick Detroja?
yes.
Good morning, Yannick. Okay, Yannick, very good. Very good, Yannick.
double हो गया मैम
Okay. And Nishwagami? Nishwagami?
Yes.
Nishwa? Nishwa? Show me your classwork. Nishwa?
अभी बोला भी
Where are you, Nishwa? जब मैं पूछती हूँ तो दिखाते रही हो, फिर मैम को बोलते हो कि मेरा नाम नहीं लिया, मेरा नाम नहीं लिया. हाँ? लीजा? लीजा? बोलो. Lisa, show me your classwork. Yes. QRST. बाकी का किधर है बच्चे?
बाकी है.
बाकी है के? बोल बाकी है.
बाकी है.
बाकी है. ओके, लिख लो. ओके, अभी लिख लो. ओके. यस, वेरी गुड बच्चा, आपने बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. वेल डन. नाइस वर्क. ओके. एंड ध्याना भोजानी.
yes ma'am
ध्याना.
yes ma'am
Show me your.
सबको पता
Yes, very good. Very good, बच्चों. Okay, children. Very good. Clap for you all. Now I am ending our session. Okay. Yes, very good everyone. आपने सबने बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. Very good. Well done everyone. Okay, now I am leaving. Okay, you have to write your homework same as classwork. Okay, bye everyone.
bye
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.